Okay, good evening all my students. So today we will have unit 20. It is about passive voice. It is done, it was done. Jadi first we have to know we only talk about present and past. Kita cuma belajar tentang present and past, but it is in passive voice. So first of all, we have to know is what is the function of passive voice. The passive voice is used when we want to emphasize the actions or the verb and the object of a sentence rather than subject. Jadi passive voice ini digunakan ketika kita ingin menekankan aksi dan objek dalam suatu kalimat daripada subjeknya. Kita ingin memperdulikan kata kerjanya dan juga objeknya terlebih dahulu daripada subjeknya exactly. So that's why we say it was a passive voice. Example, I make this example for bahasa Indonesia because I want make you guys know the basic of it. Ibu memasak ikan di dapur. Nah, ini adalah kalimat aktif. This is an active. Ibu memasak ikan di dapur. Ada subjek, ada verb, ada objek, ada adverb of place. Nah, tapi kalau kita mau mengubahnya ke dalam bentuk pasif, ikan, objeknya dipindahkan move to the front. Ikan dimasak oleh ibu di dapur. Nah, this is called as passive. Nah, inilah dia pasif. Ikan, we talk about object first and then the verb rather than the subject, daripada subjeknya. So, we put the subject at the back. Kita letakkan subjeknya di akhir. So, this is what the basic of passive voice. Inilah basic dari passive voice. Number one, we talk about present. So, what is the pattern of present is you have to know that to be is MR, present is MR plus verb 3. Every passive voice, semua passive voice itu harus menggunakan verb 3. Example, the door is closed by a boy. Artinya adalah pintu itu ditutup oleh seorang anak laki-laki. Is adalah to be, verb 3-nya adalah closed. Verb 3 from close is closed plus D. So what you have to know is you only need to change the verb into verb 3. Anything about it. Apapun itu, walaupun dia present, walaupun dia past, walaupun dia perfect, walaupun dia future, semua verb di dalam passive voice itu harus dalam verb 3. Caranya gimana, sir? Caranya itu adalah put the to be first. Letakkan to be dulu, baru ditambah verb 3. Next, number 2. How often? Strip the room strips clean? Question mark. Nah, ini gimana cara kita nyusun kalau ketemu soal gini? Yang pertama, kita nggak usah acak how often, letakkan how often. After that, kita letakkan to be. Why to be first? Because this is question. Interrogative. Kita letakkan to be dulu. Is, ikutin the room clean. Clean, as what I have said, must be verb 3, clean. So, the things that you have to know present, letakkan to be and verb 3. What happened to past? Past, you also need to plus to be. Kalian di past juga letakkan to be, tapi the to be is completely different. The to be of past tense is was and were, are was and were, and plus verb 3. Sama kayak tadi saya bilang, semua verb harus verb 3. Example, these houses built about 50 years ago. How to change this into passive voice? Kita letakkan these houses. Build ini adalah kata kerja. Kata kerja harus digunakan to be terlebih dahulu. To be dari these houses ini adalah plural ya, karena we know that this is many houses, banyak rumah. So plus were, built, this is verb 3, about 50 years ago. So this is how you need to remember. What is the to be of present? Is MR plus verb 3. And what is the to be of past tense? Was or were plus verb 3. I gave you note, guys. We say was or were born. Jadi kalau kamu ditanya where were you born? I was born in Indonesia, Medan, or I make this, I was born in London. Nah, jadi kalian bilang kalau sama seseorang, kalian lahir itu di mana menggunakan was born. Was atau they were born. Mereka lahir in Bali misalnya. Example, in Bali. So, jadi kalian tidak menggunakan I am born. Salah, bukan I am. Tapi kita menggunakan past I was. So, remember this, right?